Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now we look at the derivatives, and this is of various aortic arches. So the first one is the aortic arches or the pharyngeal arches. They are series of 6 aortic arches or the pharyngeal arches. They are a series of 6 paired embryological structures, and which gives rise to the great arteries of the neck and the head. So great arteries of neck and the head, and they are ventral to the dorsal aorta. Ventral to dorsal aorta, and arise from the aortic sac. So arise from what? Arise from the aortic sac. So let's look at each arches. So the first aortic arch. So first aortic arch is it gives rise to the part of maxillary arteries bilateral. So part of the maxillary artery bilaterally. Next is the second aortic arch. The second aortic arch is the stapedial and the hyoid. Stapedial and the hyoid arteries bilaterally. So first arch was the part of the maxillary arteries bilaterally. Second is for S, that is stapedial and hyoid arteries. So third arch is for what? The third arch is for the common carotid artery and the proximal portion of the internal carotid artery. So common carotid artery CCA, as well as the proximal part of the internal carotid artery. Next is the fourth aortic arch. So fourth aortic arch, it comes under the right. So what is right? Right is the proximal portion of the right subclavian artery. So right of the subclavian artery, and then comes the left. Left means it is the aortic arch. Next is the fifth. Fifth, what is it concerned with? The fifth is nothing but it regresses completely. Then comes the sixth. So sixth, what does happen? Sixth is that it has again right and left. Right is for right pulmonary artery, left is for left pulmonary artery. So left, it also includes the ductus arteriosus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.